17 minutes after 6, if you've just joined us, this is The South African Morning with myself, Cindy Mabi, and Gareth Edwards is out on location on the ground in Hammanskraal. We'll cross to him as and when the show progresses. Take a look now at the headline story we're following up for you. Judgment in the bail application for the 5 accused or co-accused in the Thabo Bester escape saga will be delivered today. They are accused of facilitating the Facebook rapist and murderer's elaborate escape from the Mangaung Correctional Center last year. Closing arguments in the applications were heard last week. eNCA's Scara Mafokoane has more.
Former G4S supervisor Sino Hematswara, CCTV technician Thabo Bester, suspended G4S security guard Mutenyane Masukela, and former G4S control room operators Thabo Bester and Nastasia Jansen will know if they will walk out of this courtroom today. For the past 3 weeks, the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court has been swamped with their bail applications. Last week, their lawyers put final submissions to the court. The accused all pleaded not guilty. They argue they are not flight risks and have children that depend on them.
But hearsay, Your Worship, this court will accept and this court will agree with me. That is not definitive evidence. It cannot be allocated the same value as proper evidence that is first-hand evidence.
The mother of the children of accused number 6 is not working, and the court would have to bear in mind that accused number 6 is a breadwinner.
Should the bail be refused, will of necessity impact upon a child of the accused. It may not be lost sight that the child's best interests are, in terms of Section 28(2) of the Constitution, paramount.
According to our understanding, the affidavit of applicant number 5 that was read into court is applicant number 5 says she wants to be released to go and look for work, to look after the children.
But those submissions were only made after the court requested the parties to do so. The magistrate questioned why the accused failed to disclose that they are primary caregivers in their affidavits. Meanwhile, the state has argued that the release of the accused on bail would undermine public confidence in the criminal justice system.
The evidence of the investigating officer has established that the shock and outrage of the community at large might lead to public disorder. Secondly, that the safety of the applicants might be jeopardized, and that the release of the applicants on bail will undermine and jeopardize the public confidence in the criminal justice system.
One legal expert believes the court will need to consider the merits of each applicant individually.
The court will have to view each application on its own merits. Although the accused are all joined in the same proceedings, the court looks at the individual and what the state avers according to the facts of the case regarding each of the accused commitment or alleged role in the different offences.
Magistrate Mohlolo Khabisi will deliver his judgment in the bail application when court resumes later today. Scara Mafokoane, Bloemfontein.